Hey there! Are you ready to jump into the exciting world of the keto diet? If you're looking for a quick and delicious way to start your journey with low-carb meals, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to start keto today, simple, tasty, and beginner-friendly. First things first, what is the keto diet? Keto stands for ketogenic, and it's all about reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your healthy fats. This helps your body enter a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. Sounds cool, right? Let's break it down. On a typical keto diet, about 70 to 75% of your daily calories come from fats, 20 to 25% from protein, and only 5 to 10% from carbs. That means lots of delicious fats like avocados, olive oil, and cheese. Now, let's stock your kitchen. Here are some must-have keto staples. Healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, and butter. Proteins, eggs, chicken, fish, and bacon. Low-carb veggies, spinach, broccoli, zucchini, and cauliflower. Snacks, nuts, seeds, and cheese for those in-between meal cravings. Ready to dive into some quick and delicious meals? Let's whip up a classic keto breakfast, avocado and egg. It takes just 10 minutes. Start by cutting an avocado in half and removing the pit. Scoop out a bit more flesh to create a small bowl. Crack an egg into each half and season with salt and pepper. Pop them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, or until the egg is cooked to your liking. Voila, deliciousness! Next up, let's make a keto-friendly lunch, zucchini noodles with pesto. This one is super quick and packed with flavor. Spiralize your zucchini to create noodles, saute them in olive oil for just a few minutes, and then toss them with your favorite pesto. Top it off with some grated parmesan, and you're good to go. And there you have it, 2 quick and delicious low-carb meals to kickstart your keto journey. Remember, the key is to keep it simple and fun. Explore new recipes and find what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more keto tips and recipes. Share your thoughts and any questions in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey. Now, it's time to get cooking. Start keto today and enjoy every bite.